how to log into Facebook in your PC. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser in your computer. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for Facebook login. After entering to it, you'll be able to see the first paragraph where there is login to Facebook. So you have to simply click on that. And after entering to it, you'll be able to see this interface over here where you have to enter your email or phone number and the password of the respective ID that which you are going to log in. In order to enter, you have to simply click on the text box, and from over here you can enter your email or phone number, and in the password you have to click on that, and from over here also you have to enter your password. And after entering, you have to simply click on login option over here. If you forgot your password, then you can simply go for forgot password option over here, and you'll be helped to recover your password. And by doing that, you'll be able to log into Facebook in your PC. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.